Jordan here with another MJR Hobby Stuff video. Today we're looking at something super cool. This is the Artpla Sculpture Works 1954 Godzilla by Kaiyodo, Godzilla Reimagined. Look at the size of this box, thick boy. On this side we've got the parts and assembly sort of like idea, I guess. And then on this side we've got full painted images. This is the unpainted version, and this is the full painted what the sculpture will look like at the end, recreating that famous scene where Godzilla picks up the train in his mouth to get this big boy open. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Of course, you know, Godzilla kits are pretty much always in black. And if you assemble them, that's all you get is a big black blob. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of runners, and the instruction manual. Instruction manual here again, the same picture from the cover of the box. Check it out, open it up. So it looks like you assemble the base first, start putting the body together. Oh, look at these interesting colors. I wonder what, I guess that's like the order you're supposed to put them in. Or like the way they stack, probably. It's the finished look. Let's see what this side. I see. Runners, runner lists, more images with the completed set, some advertising for some of the older stuff. That's great. All right, this should be a fun project. Let's look at the runners. Runner A is mostly base pieces, destroyed rubble. Some of the look at the detail on that. Just so much detail. That's crazy. Very nice. Here's runner B. Some of the train parts. Looks like the top of Godzilla's head there. More rubble. Cool. This is runner C. More rubble, and looks like Godzilla's torso, like his back, like the inner frame, almost. Here's runner D, a whole bunch of skin. Here's runner E, more parts, some scales, fins, dorsal fins. Runner F, his tail, some more inner frame parts. Here's runner G, Godzilla's feet and his toes, feet. Finally, runner H, his big old thighs, and more feet, more. All right, there we go. Some of the snap-built pieces, some of the rubble here. Extremely high detail. There's the base. Very nice. As you can see, I'm getting ready to paint. Here's Big G himself. Very sick. Very nice. Some seams do appear. I don't think it's world-ending. They're still okay. Amazing detail. Beautiful sculpt. Super nice. Here we go, fully assembled on the stand. Looks great. All right, there's the base all painted up. Give it some green and browns and oranges and colors and stuff, just to make the base a little colorful. All right, let's put Godzilla on there. All right, there we go, Big G, all painted up. I mean, it's a subtle paint job, brown and white scales, dorsal fins. The train's painted a bit. At this distance, you can't really see the seams, but if you get really up close at it, you'll see it. But once you're, you know, a foot or 3 away, I mean, just the camera itself, you can't even see where the seams are. But really great kit. Big old inner frame, and all the skin pieces go over the top of it. It's pretty cool. It's a statue, so there's no articulation, but yeah, beautiful. So here we go in close. You can see there on the foot, a seam, the ankle there, and then riding up the leg. Again, there in the hip, down the middle of the thigh. But they are very subtle. I mean, for real subtle. You can see there on the shoulder, right there, where the chest meets the shoulder. Right there on the top of the head. So the seams are in there, but you have to be really up close to see them. Each panel of the chest, right there, through the front there, you can see them. Yeah, once you're on straight onto the seam, you'll see it. But with a little bit of a turn, they more or less disappear. Such a cool kit. Love Godzilla. Been a Godzilla fan since I was a little kid. Detail on the face there. Super nice. Alright, that's it. Kaiyodo Godzilla. Pretty cool. Thank you for the view. We'll see you on the next one.